In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp with Shopify. By the end, you'll have your store connected to Mailchimp so your customers, orders, and product data can sync and power your email marketing, automations, and audience insights. Start by opening Mailchimp and signing in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, head to the integrations area. This is where Mailchimp lists all the platforms it can connect to, including e-commerce tools like Shopify. If you don't see integrations right away, look for it in the main navigation or under your account tools. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions to add integrations, since connecting a store typically requires admin access. In the integrations section, click into the search bar and type Shopify. From the results, select Shopify. You'll be taken to Mailchimp's Shopify integration page. This is the official connection point that lets Mailchimp and your Shopify store exchange data securely. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the official Mailchimp listing and review the overview if you like. It explains what will sync and how the integration works. Next, click Get Started. Mailchimp will route you to the Shopify App Store to install the Mailchimp app for your store. If you manage multiple stores, double-check that you're logged into the correct one before you proceed. On the Shopify App Store page, click Install. Shopify may ask you to confirm the store if you aren't already in it. You'll now land in your Shopify admin to confirm the installation. Click Install again to grant the app the permissions it needs. These permissions allow Mailchimp to read your products, customers, and order information so it can keep your audience and reporting current. This is standard for e-commerce integrations and is necessary for features like segmentation, abandoned cart emails, product recommendations, and revenue tracking. After installation, you'll be prompted to connect a Mailchimp account to the app. If you see an option to log in to another account, select that to make sure you connect the exact Mailchimp account you want tied to this store. If you're already signed in to the correct one, you may go straight to the authorization screen. When the authorization window appears, review the access request and click Allow. This step securely links your Shopify store to your Mailchimp account using OAuth, which is a secure method for granting limited access without sharing your password. Authorizing completes the handshake between the two platforms so they can communicate reliably. With the app installed and authorized, you'll see the sync controls in Shopify. Click Sync now to start your first data sync. The initial sync can take a little time depending on how many customers, orders, and products you have. You can continue working while it runs, and it will process in the background. If you refresh after a few minutes and don't see updates yet, give it a bit longer. Larger catalogs naturally take more time. Once the sync begins, Mailchimp will pull in your audience data and e-commerce events. That means you'll be able to segment by purchase history, send targeted campaigns based on products or categories, and view revenue attribution for your emails. You'll also unlock automations like abandoned cart or post-purchase follow-ups, since Mailchimp can now see when someone adds items to a cart or completes an order. If anything looks off, for example, you connected the wrong account or store, return to the app in your Shopify admin, disconnect, and repeat the connection using the correct credentials. It only takes a moment, and making sure the right store talks to the right Mailchimp account saves a lot of confusion later. That's it. You went from opening Mailchimp, finding the Shopify integration, installing it through Shopify, authorizing the connection, and starting your first sync. With the integration active, you're ready to build smarter segments, send better timed automations, and track sales from your campaigns with confidence.